Okay.
मैम एवरीवन में देना है या फिर आपको पर्सनली देना है?
Privately. Okay, let everyone give their answer. Okay, let everybody give their answer and you have to give yours. Let me check who is correct, who is wrong. Okay, all of you have to send me privately the answers in the chat box. Let me share the PDF of the chapter. Switch on your videos quickly. Page number 17. Okay. Attendance part is done, Ronit Verma. Please lower down your hand now. I'm not going to mark if you will enter after 8:15. Okay, let me turn the page. It's on 65. It's on 70, right? Okay. Here is the page number 70. Okay. So we have to start with the oral questions. Name a solid metal and a liquid metal at room temperature. Yes. मैंने लिखवाए हैं exceptions. All of you are having in your copy. Just open up your copies. Just open up your copies and give me the response. Okay, Tarun gave me the answer first. I'm getting the responses from everyone. Quickly, I want the response from everyone. कोई भी नहीं छूटना चाहिए. I'm having 45 participants in with me. So I want 45 answers for one question. I have got 12 only yet. Quickly give me the response. Okay, now let me check. I'm going in the chat box only. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Tarun gave me the answer first. Then Vaibhavi, then Kavesh. Kavesh spelling ठीक से type किया करो. Okay, Tarun, you are correct. Vaibhavi, you are also correct. Kavesh has given answer for one liquid only. Okay, Shant is also correct. Harshita is also correct. Aditya Raj Singh is correct. Hemant is correct. Kavish has given okay. Now Kavish has given answer for the second one. Okay, Kavish, you are correct. Janvi Mishra correct. Samriddhi Sharma correct. Okay, everybody is saying the liquid one is mercury and the solid one anything you can write aluminium, copper, iron. ठीक है? कोई भी लिख सकते हो? Sumit, Lakshya, Himanshu, don't send the answers to everyone. Send it to me privately. Okay? Are you getting? Is it clear? Manali, Charu, Mahika, Kangna, Vineet, Himanshu, Lakshya, Sumit. You don't have to send answers to everyone, Ronit. Same with Aditya Gangwani. Okay, Sumit. All right? Yes, correct. Next, what is the chemical nature of rust? What is the chemical nature of rust? Okay, very good, Hemant. Good typing speed too, I can say. Rest of you quickly give me the responses. Okay, Shant, Aditya, Got your responses? Rest of you. What is the chemical nature of rust? दिखवाई थी मैंने आपको reaction. If you guys remember, you are having a reaction, right? When iron will react with water, and oxygen, what it will get? Will give you hydrated iron oxide, right? What it will give? Hydrated iron oxide. लिखवाई हुई है मैंने reaction. Just check your copies. Ishant, have we written? Have we done it, Ishant? Yes, Bhavanshi. Are you having in your copy?
Iron plus oxygen plus water.
Yes.
Hydrated iron
Iron
oxide.
oxide. Yes, hydrated iron oxide. Right?
मैम मुझे आयरन ऑक्साइड लगा तो मैंने हाइड्रेटेड नहीं लिखा.
Hydrated iron oxide. FeOH का whole twice. I have given you the reaction also. Okay.
Yes,
That you have.
ma'am.
Okay. Let's discuss the next one. Turn the page. I'm coming over here.
Bismuth and
Next one. I want the answer from everyone. I'm having 46 students in with me. Okay. I have started. They have started giving their responses. Name two metal conductors of heat. Poor conductors of heat. Two metals. No, you may write in the chat box, bache. I will check it over there. Okay. Give me the answers in the chat box, everyone. I'm having the strength of 48 over here.
Ma'am, I'm sending you all answers. पर आप
I'm reading for everyone. I'm reading for everyone. What answers they are giving. Okay, Hemant gave me the answer first, then Ronak, then Hemant, then Pawan, Pavanchi, Ankita, Aditya Raj Singh, Vaibhavi, Ronak, Pawan, Nishant, Devanshu Gaur, Aditya Raj Singh, Harshita, Ankita, Pavanchi, Kushal Rao, Lakshya Jain, okay. Okay, Vineet is saying bismuth. Ishant is also saying bismuth and lead. Sanskriti, water is the poor conductor. Sanskriti is asking about metals. Two metals which are poor conductor of heat. Okay, Nitesh is saying lead and mercury. Some are, most of them are saying lead and mercury. Some are saying bismuth and lead. Some are saying sulfur and phosphorus. Be sure for your answer. Two metals which are poor conductor of heat. I repeat the question. Two metals which are poor conductors of heat. Any you can write, right? All of you are correct. Lead भी है, mercury भी है, bismuth भी है. All of you are correct. ठीक है? Lead, mercury, bismuth. Anything you can write. Okay? They are. बेटा सल्फर और फास्फोरस तो नॉन मेटल्स होते हैं. कार्बन, सल्फर, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, ये सब नॉन मेटल्स होते हैं. ओके? तो सल्फर और फास्फोरस आप नहीं लिख सकते हो. ओके तरुण? यस, बिस्मथ लेड आप लिख सकते हो, मरकरी आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट, what will be the change in color of copper sulfate solution when magnesium is added to it? Blue. Yeah, copper sulfate solution initially it is blue, but what will be change in color of copper sulfate solution when you will add magnesium to it? I repeat the question. What will be the change in color of copper sulfate solution when magnesium is added to it? I have told you copper sulfate solution, जिसको हम नीला थोता भी बोलते हैं, it's of blue color. Okay? And
मैम मैंने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है.
होता है वो कलर होता है. तो कॉपर सल्फेट अपना कलर चेंज नहीं करता है जब आप उसकी मैग्नीशियम मेटल के साथ रिएक्शन करवाते हो.
मैम
Okay?
मैंने सही लिखा है क्या? मैम मैंने सही लिखा है क्या?
Going into the chat box, checking over there. वैभवी ब्लू ग्रीन पता है कब होता है? जब आप उसमें आयरन डालते हो, है ना? जब आप उसकी रिएक्शन Fe के साथ कराते हो, CuSO4 plus Fe will give you FeSO4 and copper will be released. Okay? Clear? But if I talk about this, यहाँ पर वो कोई कलर चेंज नहीं शो करेगा. कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में जब आप मैग्नीशियम ऐड करोगे तो कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. There will be no change in color. Note it down.
मैम मेरा राइट है क्या?
Let me search out for yours. Hemant beta, all the students are saying that you are copying from internet. Is it so?
मैम पहला आंसर भी इंटरनेट से दिया था हम कॉपी करके.
मैम कॉपी नहीं कर रहा, बुक की लैंग्वेज में से अलग लिख रहा हूँ.
That's why I'm asking you to tell me the answers. I don't want the answers from the net. I want you guys to read out and find out the question answers. That is my motive. Okay, just come to the next one. Write the name of the metal which is used in household electric wiring. Okay, Tarun gave me the response first this time also. Okay, getting the same answers from everyone. Kavesh, Pawan, Kushal, Aditya, Ankita, Hemant. Everybody is saying, rest of you, Ishant, okay. Same answer I'm getting from mostly. Where are others? Only 19 responses. Okay, Pawan. Pawan has gave the answer along with the cause. Good, Pawan. Okay, so copper, everybody is saying copper. Let's mark copper for this. Okay, because copper is a good conductor. Next, name one metal which is highly unreactive. one metal which is highly unreactive. You are having the reactivity series on page number 63. Reactivity series on page number 63. उसमें देखना कौन सा मेटल है जो कि highly unreactive है. Just check the reactivity series on page number 63. One metal which is highly unreactive. Okay, Shant, you are correct. Kavish is correct. Yeah, Shant, it could be this one also. कॉपर की बात भी तो है और हमारे पास why everybody is saying copper? Just check the list. कॉपर के बाद भी आपके पास metals हैं. कॉपर के नीचे भी तो reactivity series में we are having metals with us. Yes, Ayushi Saini. Yes, Hemant. Pawan, just check. After mercury also we are having. Check the reactivity series, Pawan. Okay, Aditya. Okay, Kushal. Okay, Divya. Okay, platinum. Gold and platinum you guys can write. Okay. Come to the, take the correct options. Manali, I think I got first response from you. Okay, next. Take the correct option. The property of metal used for making temple bell is. Very good, Pawan. First answer from you. Second from Janvi Mishra. Then from Bhavanshi, Ronak, Tarun, Vaibhavi, Vineet, Kushal, Arshita, Ishant, Kavish. Kavish, you are not correct. Not correct, Kavish. Rest of them are correct. Okay, everybody is saying sonority. It's correct. Sonority क्या होता है? The property of metals through which they can produce sound. Because they can produce sound, that's why they are being used as temple bells. Okay. Next, rust is formed when iron combines with. When iron combines with. Second, give me the answer quickly for the second one. Rust is formed when iron combines with. Not got response from anyone yet. Why? Okay, got, sorry. Okay, yes, it's moist air. Oxygen तो आयुषी से नहीं, यहाँ पर option ही नहीं है. Moist air. Yes, okay, all of you are correct. Third, the property by which a substance can be drawn into thin sheets. Sheets, check your copy, लिखा हुआ है. Someone is saying malleability, someone is saying ductility. Be sure for your answer. When we can make wires from them, then what they are called, and when you can make sheets from them, what they are called then. Be sure for your answer, everyone. जो ductility बोल रहे हैं, please open up page number. It's provided in your book. Okay, open page number 56. Check page number 56. Malleability and brittleness. Yes, malleability is the correct answer. Okay, next. The oxides of non-metals are generally dash in nature. Non-metals oxide. Acidic, basic, neutral or none. मैंने कॉपी में लिखवाया हुआ है. You are having everything in your notes. Just check it out. Reaction of non-metal with oxygen. Reaction of non-metal with oxygen. We have done. Continuously, I'm getting the responses. Some are saying acidic, some are saying neutral, some are saying basic. Nobody is confirmed for their answer. Just come on page number 61, everyone. 61. Activity number 4. To show that non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic oxides. Right? Until and unless you guys will not read out the chapter, you will not be able to give the correct answers. Okay, तो आप लगाते रहिए. Yes, acidic is the correct answer. Bhavan. I'm noting down कौन है जो बिल्कुल आंसर नहीं दे रहा है. Neutral is not correct, Priyanshi Sharma. Okay. Next. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right. So next one is circle the odd ones and give me the reasons for your choice. Copper, aluminium, sodium, gold, silver. Okay. All of you are saying sodium. Correct. Reason. Main is the reason. Why sodium is the different, is the odd one? Why sodium is the odd one? Okay, Tarun. Okay, Kavish. Pallavi, aluminium Pallavi is saying. Bhavanshi is saying bismuth. Bhavanshi, give me the cause for the first one. Okay, Devanshu Kaur is saying sodium is more reactive. No, sodium is a metal. Highly reactive metal is sodium. Who is saying that sodium is not a metal? Sodium तो एक बहुत soft metal है. Sodium, potassium, I have told you, we can cut it with the help of knives. They are the exceptions, right? Alkali family का member होता है भाई periodic table में. Highly reactive metal है. Atomic number 11 होता है. Then why sodium, you guys are saying? Yeah, it is. Okay, someone is saying it's more reactive. It is having low melting point. It's not non-metal, Lakshya Jain. Now only I have told you. It's not non-metal. It is the highly reactive metal. Okay, most reactive metal. Next. Aluminium, iron, copper, bismuth, nickel. Okay, Kavish. Okay. Okay, all of them are saying bismuth because it is not a good conductor of heat. All right, I agree with you. Next, iodine, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, and sulfur. Iodine, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, and sulfur. All of them are non-metals. But iodine is different. Very good, Pawan. You are correct. Because it contains luster. मैंने बताया था आयोडीन में लस्टर होता है, एक्सेप्शन में लिखवाया था आयोडीन. Okay, it's having luster. Next, Phillips, the property which allows the metal to be drawn into wires quickly. Okay, Janvi Mishra was the first to give me the answer. Then Ronak, then Charu, then Hemant, Tarun, Vaibhavi, Bhavanshi, Aditya, Ishant, Kushal, Tarun, Hemant, Ishant again, Nitesh Sharma, Kavish Kumarat. Okay, and everybody, Kavish, you are not correct. It's not conductivity, Kavish. It is ductility. Yes, rest of you are correct. It's ductility. Okay, now give me the response for the second one. Metals like dash are poor conductors of heat. Bismuth, Bhavanshi. Yes, second, metals like dash are poor conductors of heat. कौन से metals poor conductor होते हैं? अभी हमने ऊपर लिखा था ना. Poor conductor of heat, two metals we have written. Yes, yes, bismuth, lead, mercury, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है? Next, hardest known substance in nature. Okay, Vaibhavi gave me the response first. And after that, Vaibhavi, I got answer from Ishant, Janvi, Pawan, Ronak, Manali, Tarun, Ayushi Seni, Kushal Rao, Hemant Yadav, Aditya Gangwani, all of them are saying diamond. Ronak gave me the answer first. Yes, Ronak, you are correct. Then Hemant, Tarun, Kushal, Ishant. Yes, Devanshu Gaur, you are correct. Lakshya Jain, you are not correct. Sulfur is not the answer. Kavish, wood? Wood is a non-metal. Good conductor of electricity, non-metal. Oh, yes, Kushala, you are correct, but you are not your spelling. Yes, Samriddhi, graphite. Okay, graphite is a non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. All right. Okay, come to the section B now. The portion of the gray nail which is inside the blue solution of copper sulfate becomes, yes, Ronak, correct, Tarun, correct. Reddish brown. Reddish brown. Next, the second, this change in color of the dipped portion of iron nail in copper sulfate solution is because of the deposition of iron. कॉपर सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन है भाई, आयरन सल्फेट बन गया और क्या डिपॉजिट होगा? यस, कॉपर. खुशाल, कावेश, यू आर करेक्ट. नॉट सल्फर आदित्य, कॉपर. सल्फर तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पर, ठीक है? क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, दिस एक्टिविटी शोज iron is more reactive than copper, copper is more reactive than iron, iron is unreactive or copper is unreactive. Yes, Hemant, you are correct. Iron is more reactive than copper. Kushal Rao is also correct. Yeah, most of you are saying A option. So Bhavanshi, Shant, Harshita, all of you are correct. Iron is more reactive than copper. Yes, Vaibhavi. Okay, turn your page. Let me also turn my page. We have done these. Okay, what happens when copper vessel is exposed to moist air for a long time? What happens when copper vessel is exposed to moist air for a long time? It's given in your book, right? दिया हुआ था ना बुक के अंदर? Yes, who is going to answer? Okay. It will get rusted. Vaibhavi and Tarun are saying. Nitesh is saying it will react with carbon dioxide. Read the question again. The question is, okay, Harshita is saying it will lose its luster. Yes, Harshita, you are correct. A green layer will get deposited on it. Read the question carefully. What is the question? The question is, what happens when copper vessel is exposed to moist air for a long time? ग्रीन कलर की लेयर आ जाती है ना. मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपने पूजा के जो बर्तन होते हैं उनको देखा होगा. दे आर ऑफ कॉपर, राइट? So if you will not clean them regularly, what will happen? A green colored surface will get green in color. Okay, copper form a green deposit on the surface, है ना? जब वो एयर के कांटेक्ट में आएगा, है ना? अभी क्या होता है? कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड. ठीक है? What is this? Copper hydroxide. जो भी gases होती है ना atmosphere में, the copper will react with them. और जो water vapors which are present in the atmosphere, it will react with them, the gases and the moisture, and copper hydroxide भी बनता है और copper carbonate भी बनता है. ठीक है? And this will give you the green color to the surface of copper metal. Okay? Clear with everyone? Green layer it will provide. Okay. Next, what is mean by rusting of iron? Okay, now you guys can raise up your hands. Now you guys can raise your hands. Because long answers you cannot type in the chat box. So please raise up your hands. And I want the answer from everyone. Okay. I want to hear from Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi, please unmute yourself. Yes, Vaibhavi. Speak up, beta. You are unmuted. Okay, Vaibhavi, I think she's having some problem. I'll go back to Tarun. Yes, Tarun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, give me the response for this question. What is rusting of iron?
Yes, ma'am. When we left iron substance in moist air, a reddish brown layer is get on it. This layer is called rust, and the process of rusting, the process of the layer getting on it is called rusting of iron.
Very good. Okay. So hydrated iron oxide is formed after the rusting. Okay. Iron get converted into hydrated iron oxide. All right. Next. Now you guys have to raise your hand for the next question. What is formed when non-metal react with oxygen? What is formed when non-metals react with oxygen? Okay, Ishan, please unmute yourself.
When non-metal reacts with oxygen, they form acidic oxides and some other neutral oxides.
Okay. Harshita, is he correct, Harshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what answer you would like to give for this question?
When non-metal react with oxygen, they will form acidic or neutral oxides.
Okay. Table be given है, page number 62, 63 के around, I think. Okay. All right. Next question. What happens when the following metals react with dilute HCl? Dilute HCl के साथ जब magnesium और you guys can tell the page numbers also. Yes, Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi, you can unmute yourself. Am I having only 2 students with me here? Vaibhavi, please unmute yourself. I think she lost her connection. Yes, Tarun?
मैम पेज नंबर बताएं या फिर आंसर बताएं?
Page number so that it will be
Ma'am?
convenient for them to mark.
मैम पेज नंबर 64.
Okay, everybody please open page number 64. Yes, beta.
मैम इसमें मैम लेफ्ट बॉटम कॉर्नर में मैम एक टेबल बनी हुई है ना ऑब्जर्वेशंस के नीचे.
Yes.
मैम उसमें लिखा हुआ है मैग्नीशियम एंड एल्यूमिनियम.
What happens when the magnesium and aluminium react with hydrochloric acid? Yes, it is given on page number 64, left side bottom. Okay? Yes. Okay, everyone? All right, thank you, Tarun. Next question. Objects made of silver become black with the passage of time. Explain. Yes, raise your hands. All of you. What happened? Bhavanshi, Hemant, Vineet, Devanshu, Ashita, Kushal, Lakshya. Yes, Ishant.
उसमें लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा है when silver objects are kept in air. They
Yes.
get
Prevention of corrosion के just ऊपर. Okay. Just ऊपर prevention of corrosion के. When silver objects are kept in air, they get tarnished and gradually turn black due to formation of thin silver sulfide. Okay. Yes. Next. What is mean by reactivity series of metal? What is meant by reactivity series of metal? Reactivity series is provided in your book. Reactivity series is given in your book on page number 63. Okay? Yes, Bhavanshi. You're not audible?
Very short questions की copy में कर लेंगे.
No. Only shorts and long. Along with shorts.
Short first बता दो एक बार. Short type 1.
Short type 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, these short type 1 you have to do in copy beta. Okay? As well as the second one also. So what is reactivity series? It's being provided. I want to ask from Lakshya Jain. Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, page number 63.
Yes.
Ma'am, the reactive series of metal, the arrangement of metal in a vertical column in order to decreasing reactivities is called the reactivity series of metal.
And you guys have to make the reactivity series also in your copy. Okay, आप बनाओगे reactivity series. Okay. Now, short answer type 2 questions and long and hot we will discuss in our next class. Okay, be ready to give the answers. Time is over. Hemant, whose class is next, beta?
Kanupriya ma'am.
Kanupriya ma'am. Okay, ma'am must be coming. It's